language interpreter. The push for a constitutional referendum by Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has ignited sharp political and legal debates across the country. Critics are questioning both the timing and the authority behind the proposal, with some leaders arguing that the move is driven less by safeguarding the 2027 general election and more by political survival. Political analysts contend that the Kenya Kwanza administration should prioritize urgent national concerns, including the economy, security, and the spate of killings witnessed in 2024 and 2025, rather than channeling energy into a referendum. NTV's Victor Ngaruya starts us off tonight.
Political temperatures have risen following Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi's call for a referendum, with opposition leaders mounting strong resistance and questioning the motive behind the proposal.
The clique that is there wanted to expand their tenure in office, and this Kenyans will not allow. So we ask Kenyans to be aware that there are people who want to remain in power through the back door of trying to amend the constitution. But we say no to that.
It is ill-advised, ill-timed, and selfish on part of Musalia Mudavadi.
Ikifika bungeni tutahakikisha kwamba tutaiangusha. Hakuna maneno ya referendum sasa.
In a statement released on December 29th, former Chief Justice David Maraga has described suggestions by high-ranking government officials to amend the constitution as political theatrics, terming it as a clear disregard for the law. Critics insist the push for constitutional changes is not driven by legal urgency, but by political interests. They allege that the real intention is to extend presidential term limits rather than comply with constitutional timelines. Political analysts further note that issues such as boundary delimitation, as mentioned by Mudavadi, should have been addressed soon after the promulgation of the 2010 Constitution. While acknowledging the delay, they argue the matter does not amount to a national emergency, especially as Kenyans grapple with economic hardship and other concerns.
What is an emergency in Kenya today is the state of the economy, the security, accountability on, for example, the killings that took place in 2024, even 2025.
Is it really our top national priority, the constitutional amendments that we want to talk about, when half of Kenya is going hungry?
They also say that the timing of the referendum call is not accidental, but politically calculated.
And I think, in my view, that the government of the day under UDA or William Ruto, if you like it, is panicking because of a lot of its unpopularity with Kenyans.
Despite the growing opposition, the Prime Cabinet Secretary remains firm, maintaining that Kenya is now politically mature and must take decisive steps to move the country forward. Victor Ngaruya, NTV.